Yeah, that's Professor.
So what do you want for lunch today, guys? I'm starving.
Yeah, me too. Let me first check the menu. The Mensa offer today.
What about Burger Bar?
I don't want to eat at the burger bar. We've already been there this week.
Oh yeah, you're right. What about West Side Dinner?
Also, not really. It's too far away for our short break.
Ah yeah, you're right.
Hey guys, I have checked the menu, but I don't want to eat the food they offer today. What about Cafeteria North? They offer nice pasta today.
Yeah,
Okay.
okay, sounds good.
Okay, let's go.
Okay. Hey guys, I think I need to recharge my card. I don't think I got any money left on that.
Okay.
You can pay cashless with your student card in the Mensa and cafeterias on campus. Make sure that you have enough money on it. You can use the card readers on the entrances to see how much is left on your card. You can recharge your card at the cashless top-up terminals or at the cash top-up terminals in room 218, diagonally across the info point. More terminals are at the Cafeteria Nord, Cafeteria West, Cafeteria Helmholtzstraße and in the library building. At some places you are also able to pay in cash. But for example in the Mensa, you only receive the discounted price for students when paying with your own chip card.
Oh, the pasta is not bad.
Not bad, yes.
Okay, now I need to go to the library, guys. See you. Bye.
Okay, see you later.
Hi, you have a problem with your bike?
Yeah, my friend wheel is broken.
Oh, it looks like a flat tire, but we can fix it. Let's go inside.
Yeah, thank you.
Do you have any problems with your bike? Just come by in our Fahrradwerkstatt. We will help you to repair your bike. Even if you don't know how to repair it, we will show you. We have all the tools you will need and most of the spare parts. Please check our opening hours before you visit us, because they change from semester to semester. We also have some bikes for rent for Erasmus students, so they don't have to buy a bike for their stay in Ulm. But these bikes are limited. We don't have so much bikes for them. It's first come, first serve.
Yeah, thank you for your help.
You're welcome. If there's any more problems, just come by.
Yeah, thanks.
Bye.
The library in University West offers a lot of workspace for course starting. They also have a lot of personal curls for extra course starting and group work rooms. The loan period of the books in the library is 1 month. During this time, the items is on loan to you without any restriction. Shortly before the due date, the library will send you an email reminder. You can both renew them online or in the library. Most books of the library have many editions. Most of them also have an e-book version.
Let's look for a quiet place to study. I think it will take a while until Bobby comes back and we can start working on our exercise paper. What do you think?
Yeah, perfect. Let's go.
Yeah? Okay.
Let me just get something out of my locker real quick.
Okay.
Everywhere on the campus you can find lockers you can use. They are free of charge. You just need to find an empty locker, bring your own lock, and then you can use the locker the whole semester. Just in the summertime you need to be aware that in July the lockers are cleaned out. So during summertime you need to take your stuff out of your locker, otherwise the university takes your stuff out.
I ordered some old exams from the student association. I'll just go quickly pick them up.
Okay.
Hello there. As you have probably heard, every subject at Ulm University has its own students' association, called Fachschaft. I myself am a member of the Fachschaft Chemie, which is responsible for all subjects in the Department of Chemistry. A Fachschaft is a group of people who does all kinds of voluntary work for our fellow students. For example, doing committee work, providing office hours, giving out old exam, or cancellation when there's a problem with the teaching of a professor. Apart from that, we are also involved in organizing all kinds of events to help you start your students' life here at the Ulm University.
Oh, I have to leave. I need to practice for my piano concert tomorrow. I hope that's okay.
Yeah, sure.
See you later.
The MUZ, the Center for Music and Art, is a place for creativity and a place to connect other people. We have lots of groups. They meet in the evening, for example the big band or the orchestra. You can play an instrument for your own or in a group, like samba drums, or you can sing, or you can write text. You can develop black and white photos. You can make experimental music or films or multimedia installations. You can draw and make sculptures or paint in the evenings in our atelier. You can dance in the ballet and you also can play theater.
On campus, you can find numerous PC pools. The rooms can be opened with your student card. To log in to the computers, you can use your kid's account. In the rooms, you'll find printers. It is a great way to print your studying materials or documents easily and relatively cheap. Make sure you have enough print credits on your student card.
Welcome at Ulm University. German beer.